Hello guys, today we arrived at Penang. I wanted to do some B-roll shots about 4 places. It's all around the Penang. Yo, what up? Dylan. 那今天呢，我们要去哪里呢？今天我们就去到槟城，很好。今天只是我准备了中国人，很像中国人，我不懂，但是我就是刚刚要前往去槟城，然后这个就是那个机票 ，OK。那等一下我们再见哦 ，OK。
一句话，全世界 stand by， low key 3、2、1。
Yeah, I decided to try GoPro 8 in this Penang trip. Next, arrived at Penang, we decided to visit Bus Depot. Early in the next morning, Johnson decided to bring us to their secret spot, and I realized it was just the perfect timing for the sunrise come out. The next day morning, we're at Batu Ferenghi Beach. Within a minute, I think we found it. And it was so beautiful. And we dropped by to a Penang coffee shop.
And yeah, it's time to continue our next journey. And we landed at Chill Jetty for some photos. And yeah, that's all for today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and my Instagram. And if you like it, do comment down below which are the places that I will be going on the next trip.